Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem within a minute. So let's begin. First you need to have settings. Just click on it and I will be showing in Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. So first let's click on settings and then you have to scroll down. You will see here it is apps. Just tap on it and then you have to click on manage apps. If your Wi-Fi is not connecting to the network or any other problem is occurring, it will fix it. Then you have to just type over here Android like this and you will see here it is Android. Friends, you have to scroll down or you can search it. Here you can see Android system. You have to just tap on it. Here it is written clear cache. You have to just click on clear cache and it's done. And then you have to scroll down like this and from here you have to find, and friends, then you have to just type over here Google like this. Then here it is Google Play Services. You have to tap on it and here it is clear data. You have to just click on clear cache and then press OK. And then the second step is you have to just press back and go to the settings. Scroll down, you will see additional settings. Just tap on here, scroll down and you will see here it is reset. If you can't find, you can just search it over the search bar and write here reset, and you can see here it is reset Wi-Fi. Just tap on reset settings, draw the pattern that you have, that is the default pattern of your lock screen, and then wants to reset. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo this action. Then just you have to click on it and now you can see your network setting is closed and then it will be reset like this, and you can see, and it's done. Network setting has been reset. This is how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.